everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change theme into dark theme. That is how to use dark theme on Opera GX. For you to be able to use dark theme on Opera GX, from the home menu, what you do is that you click on the gear icon at the sidebar, bottom of the sidebar. In case you don't see this icon, just simply click on the sidebar setup, which is straight at the bottom here, and then make sure that settings is turned on here, so it will appear here. Then next thing you do, click on settings and then scroll down to themes, and you can see I'm using light theme, so I want to use dark theme, so click on theme gallery and you can see dark mode. So if you also use classic, you can also change to dark mode by clicking here like this, or you can choose between calm, warm, vibrant, or cool. And you see it's really nice. Or if you don't want to use this one, you can choose the Aurora. You can click on theme gallery again, click on Aurora. Aurora only operates in dark theme, so you can choose between Boris, active, or Australia. So I want active, so click on set theme, and now it's on dark. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for